So today I want to talk about a couple of efficiencies, one being our multi-6 head, coupled to our Mechalak, and the other being our T-handle. Today we're going to be picking blue 60, so again a multi-piece pattern. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the multi-6 head to grab the product and bring it to the install field. Not all these products can be laid mechanically with a machine, but our biggest struggle is help, right? For getting product from pallet to pavement, it's a huge struggle in our industry. So this is going to show us using a reasonably priced head with an excavator. It doesn't have to be a brand new excavator. It could be a simple used excavator. Grabbing product though, bring it to the installer. Then I'm going to be using the T-handle to install it. So two-man crew, even if you're down to a one-man crew, I can get up in the machine, sling a whole layer, install it, go back in the machine and back and forth. So we're going to do a little time lapse today just to show you some of the efficiencies. I think it's going to be pretty exciting to see how a simple head coupled to an excavator can eliminate, because normally it's two guys hauling to one guy laying. We're going to eliminate those two guys. Not a whole lot of fun, is it? Obviously, our alternatives, running our multi-6 head with our T-handle. I want to just explain a little bit some of the expenses involved here. So this head costs $17,995, and I want you to do the math on that. And I always tell guys, put your pen to paper, math doesn't lie. An $18,000 head, your average paid employee is going to cost you between $50,000 and $60,000 by the time you get done with labor burden. Pretty much everywhere around the country, maybe less in some spots. You know your numbers. Either way, do the math long term. So you get a head like this for $18,000. This is going to last you up to 10 years, maybe even more. It took us, just time-wise, it literally took us 19 minutes to lay 116 square feet. It weighed 3,100 pounds, almost 3,200 pounds, 3,125 I believe. We did that in 19 minutes, two guys. So you could maintain that even throughout the course of a day. If I start to get tired, I can swap with the operator. Now I go in the machine, next guy comes out, he can start installing. So you can see how you can save tremendous amounts of time over and over, repetitively, day in and day out. Now if I was going to do a big job like this, I'd probably get some plywood, set it up, and I just track right across my pavement, grabbing my products from the side and installing. And obviously with a machine like this, I can put forks on, I can do a lot of different things with a machine like this. So a lot of versatility. Using the head, the T-handle. I'm not bent over. You know how many guys you see doing the arch, right? The guy's leaning back. If you're in our industry for 10 years, 80% of you'll have a back injury. Tremendous tool right here. You're picking the product, standing up, and you saw me. I'm able to move things. You saw me probably picking some up and moving them a little bit. I hate putting X's in my patio. So I'm always kind of shuffling around the pattern. My guys would be embarrassed if they knew I had to take this up a few times, is that they certainly would lay through this really fast. They know exactly how to do it. But with the T-handle coupled to the air compressor, super fast, super efficient. I would have to say, these are a couple of the greatest tools that I've seen to take the hard out of hardscaping.